What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we get you on the grind and improve your mind. So today's video is going to be one simple life hack, one strategy that can improve your mindset, and it's very simple. Let's go. Alright, so what is this one simple trick to make you have a healthier mind and get through life easier? It is this. It is nothing.
Nothing? We can't just sit here and do nothing!
Now hear me out. Why is it nothing? We live in an era of overconsumption on everything. Technology, food, everything you can imagine. So, sometimes it is important to take 10 to 30 minutes out of your day to do absolutely nothing like your dog does. Sit down, do nothing. Do not consume anything on your phone. Do not eat anything. Don't snack. Don't even look outside your window. Just literally, just sit and do nothing and just think and just calm down to yourself. Like, just do absolutely nothing. Be zen for at least a few minutes out of your day, to calm down, rewire your brain, to sort of sit and relax for a second, because we're always running around, we're always thinking about something, we're always doing something, we're always consuming something on our phone if we're not doing anything. What we have forgotten is the art of doing nothing. We have forgotten the simple things in life. The most simple and easiest things in life is to sometimes do nothing. Your body is so used to always maneuvering and thinking, and you're always on overdrive. You're always overthinking about things, and your anxiety is always through the roof. You're always going through these emotions, and always life is throwing things at you constantly, especially if you're roaming through social media all day and Facebook and Twitter. Sometimes you have to just sit down, put the phone down, put the snack down of your damn Doritos, throw those out because those are not healthy. You should be intermittent fasting, drinking black coffee. Don't do anything except nothing. Just sit down or lay down or even stand up if you want. Just simply do nothing. Be zen, be in the moment, be present. Don't focus on anything except the moment that you're in for at least a few minutes out of your day, just so you could rewind and rewire everything, and then you could start afresh. This could be a very powerful tool.
You want to just sit there, just breathe in and out, slow, get yourself into a calm state. Because if you let everything continue going in your life, like at a fast pace, you're going to not even just burn yourself out, but you're going to be like emotionally and mentally just messed up. And it's good to have just a few moments of just pure nothingness happening at a second. You can sit down, stand up, whatever, just relax, breathe, close your eyes, do whatever you need to do to get yourself calm and get yourself to fix the shit that's going on in your brain. Some people will say don't even think about things when you're doing nothing, because sometimes especially if you have a lot of issues going on, you will get yourself raveled into that, and then you'll screw up all that mental clarity that you were trying to get, and you're just going to go down a horrible rabbit hole. You don't want that. You want to just breathe, relax, don't think about anything, don't do anything, and just give yourself that time. So then once you finish, you'll feel better, you'll have a healthier mindset to continue going on with whatever it is that you're doing in your day and in your life.
You guys should be doing this for about 10 to 30 minutes a day, if possible, or even like a good 5 minutes. Just take a second just to relax. You'll actually find that if you just sit down and do nothing, you'll actually get into a good state after a couple minutes. Literally, all you have to do is just take that action just to do nothing. It sounds weird, but it's true. Try it out. It actually helps us out, and it's a good way to kind of calm yourself down just for a second, especially in the world, the crazy, chaotic world that we live in, where you're constantly being fed information. You need to calm down for just 1 second and just take a second to relax. So this could help you in your day-to-day basis and help you become a better person over time. So don't knock it till you try it. So if you guys like this tip and you guys want more videos, comment below on your thoughts on this, and hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel, join the All Gains Mindset Facebook group. We go over and post every day, exercises and all this kind of stuff. So we'll see you guys in the next video.